Bonjour, très cher Roman.
Oui.
I believe the children are our future. Teach them well and let them lead the way.
Yes guys, it's your boy Roman here again for another video, and today I'll be doing a reaction. Yes, a special reaction because I received some gifts from my students. So here I'm opening this in class. So here I got this from Naomi. And she wanted me to open it in class. Naomi.
No.
Noemi. She wanted me to open it in class, so let's see what it is. It looks quite beautiful. It looks quite beautiful. So yeah, so I'm excited to see what it is. Two little letters. Roman. Je.
Attends, je vais te le dire.
So Roman, I wish that you have a great vacation. J'ai bien. Oh, c'est quoi? This is quite touching. Here she made some hearts, and finally she did this. Oh, it's so cute. It's cute. Okay, so thank you so much, Naomi. Thank you so much. C'est trop gentil. Merci beaucoup. Okay. So we open this one from Abigail. Okay. This is very nice. Oh, nice.
Je l'ai collé avant de le mettre.
Yeah, okay. Ooh, it's a drawing. It's okay. It's a drawing. So this okay, so there's a turtle.
Non mais attends, il y a un
Calamar.
truc écrit là.
Oh, quelque chose écrit. There's something written. Bonjour, très cher Roman. Je
Non, je vais te lire. Donc. Bonjour, très cher Roman.
Oui. Ok, je vais essayer. Je te souhaite une bonne vacance. Très bien, une bonne année. Ok. Very, very nice. C'est trop mignon.
couper la
trop
caméra?
gentil. C'est incroyable. Merci beaucoup. Thank you. Alright guys, so right now I am home and I will be continuing opening gifts from students. So this is a drawing done by Gaba. You know, I saw him drawing in class, and normally I would say focus on the lesson. However, I realized that he had finished ahead of time, so I'll let him be. And then at the end, I made a comment to say if you have a particular talent, be it artistic or something else, don't hesitate to practice it. And at the end, he said, "Sir, I was actually drawing this for you," and it was really sweet. It's amazing. This is how amazing kids are. They're pure, honest. You know, before life corrupts them, and this is amazing. Wow, thank you so much. Gaba. I'm not sure if you'll ever see this video, but if you do, thank you so much. And then after that, I got another present from another student. Today she gave me, and it's Adiba. So she gave me today, and I said I will not look at it until I get home so I can do a reaction. I just put it in my tablet here. So this is a dessin. She didn't write her name, but I remember her well. I'm generally bad with names because I have so many students, but the face is yes. So dessin Roman, like drawing Roman. Best English teacher. Wow. And she said, you are the best. And there are 3 exclamation points. Wow. Honestly, the way in which adult students, older students, and small students compliment is really different. When an adult or older student says, sir, thank you, or cool, you're the best, it means a lot to me. I appreciate it because they're older and they clearly can distinguish between a good teacher, bad teacher, and other things. And that's cool, and it's cool, it's good. However, when a child says it, there's a sense of innocence to it, and it has a way of really, really touching that soft part for you because children, again, are pure and honest. Thank you so much. These drawings I'll actually keep. Yeah, I just simply wanted to show you guys what the students did for me. Honestly, for them to have done this out of their own volition is amazing. So yeah, so this video is just simply to show you how amazing my students are. Thank you guys. I love you guys so much. I really do. Wow. Anyways, guys, if you enjoy what I do on my channel and this video, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. And if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please hit subscribe and share my videos. Oh my god, I'm still touched. I'm honestly still touched. Wow, these students are amazing. Really amazing. I lost my rubber. Anyways, guys, I will see you next time. Ciao, ciao.
I believe the children are our future. Teach them well and let them lead the way.